Welcome to Willard Public Library's virtual Crafternoon. On this episode, we're going to be making a pipe cleaner lavender bouquet. Craft kits for this project are available at the Adult Services desk at Willard Public Library while supplies last. Each kit includes 10 wire floral stems that measure 6 inches in length, approximately 30 pipe cleaners in shades of purple and green. The purple are for your lavender blooms and the green are for your leaves. And then 1 roll of green floral tape. To start, take 1 of your wire stems and 2 of your purple pipe cleaners. Put the end of a pipe cleaner and the wire in one hand, and with the other, loosely wrap the pipe cleaner around the stem, just like this. Leave about an inch of a tail on each end of your pipe cleaner and you should end up with a coil. Squish the coil together and then pull it off of the stem. Then repeat the same process one more time. Hold your 2 coils side by side and stretch them out so that they are the same length. Now crisscross them in the middle and twist a few times to make an X. Now pull all 4 sides of the X together and use the end of one of your pipe cleaners to secure in place, just like this. At this point, we're ready to add a stem to our lavender, so take a stem, put it into the bottom of your lavender bloom and use the excess pipe cleaner to wrap around. Now take some of that floral tape and wrap it around the bottom of the pipe cleaners onto your stem. Once the bloom feels secure on the stem, simply tear the floral tape. Now I'm going to make a simple leaf by taking one of my green pipe cleaners, bending it in half and then laying it against the stem. Wrap some floral tape around the bottom of the leaf and the stem just like we did for the bloom. Give your lavender bloom and the leaf a little bit of a bend to give it a more realistic look, and then repeat the process over again. You should have enough supplies in your kit to create a beautiful bouquet of 10 lavender stems that last forever. Happy crafting!